Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to find phone number on your Google account. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using on any device. Simply go ahead and add a new tab and then search for account.google.com, just like that. And you're going to be taken to this page right over here. And on this page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your personal info right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and see all your numbers that are saved right over here. If you're looking for the numbers that are saved in your contact or your phone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the search bar and then search for phone, just like that. Or you could also simply go ahead and search for contacts. And as you can see, if you simply go ahead and click on contacts, you're going to see all the contacts that are on this account. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.